Your retirement savings journey continues. Understanding 401k rollovers. Hello, my dear readers. Today we're talking about a crucial step in your retirement planning journey, 401k rollovers. Don't let the financial jargon scare you. I'm here to break it down in a way that's easy to understand and even easier to act on. A 401k rollover is simply the process of moving your retirement savings from one account to another. Think of it like moving your precious belongings from one safe and comfortable home to another, ensuring their continued growth and protection. This usually happens when you change jobs or retire. But why go through the hassle, you ask? Because keeping your retirement savings in your old employer's plan might not be the best option for you. A rollover gives you greater control and flexibility over your hard-earned money. You get to choose the investment options that best suit your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Plus, you can consolidate your retirement accounts, making them easier to manage. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your financial future. Now let's dive a bit deeper. There are different types of rollovers, direct and indirect. A direct rollover is when your funds move directly from one retirement account to another without you touching the money. This is often the preferred method because it avoids any potential tax penalties. On the other hand, an indirect rollover involves you receiving the funds first and then depositing them into the new account. You have 60 days to complete this process to avoid taxes and penalties. It's crucial to be mindful of this timeline. Understanding these nuances can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Diversifying your investments within your new account can also help in managing risks and maximizing returns. So, take charge of your financial future today. A well-executed 401k rollover can be a significant step towards a secure and prosperous retirement. Stay informed, stay proactive, and remember, your retirement savings are the key to your future happiness and peace of mind. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Your financial well-being is worth every effort you put in. Why should you even consider rolling over your 401k? This is a question many people ask themselves when they leave a job or retire. Isn't it simpler to just leave it where it is? While it might seem easier to let your 401k sit with your former employer, this decision could limit your financial growth and flexibility. Well, not necessarily. Rolling over your 401k comes with a host of benefits that can significantly impact your retirement savings journey. It's not just about moving money, it's about making strategic decisions for your future. Firstly, you gain access to a wider range of investment options. This is crucial because the more options you have, the better you can tailor your investments to meet your specific retirement goals. Your old employer's plan might have limited choices, but an IRA or a new 401k can open doors to a broader selection of mutual funds, stocks, and bonds, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and potentially maximize returns. Diversification is key to managing risk and enhancing returns over time. Secondly, rollovers often come with lower fees. Lower fees mean more of your money stays invested and working for you. 401k plans sometimes carry higher administrative costs compared to IRAs. These fees can eat into your returns over time, reducing the amount of money you have available for retirement. By rolling over, you can potentially save on fees, putting more money back into your pocket to grow for your retirement. Every dollar saved on fees is a dollar that can be invested for your future. Lastly, consolidation is key. Rolling over your old 401k into an existing IRA or your new employer's plan simplifies your financial picture. Having all your retirement savings in one place makes it easier to manage and monitor your investments. It's much easier to track your investments and manage your retirement savings when they're all in one place. This consolidation can also make it easier to implement a cohesive investment strategy. Remember, a well-organized financial house is a happy financial house. Taking the time to roll over your 401k can lead to a more streamlined, efficient, and potentially more profitable retirement savings plan. So consider the benefits and make the choice that's right for you. Direct versus indirect rollovers, choosing the right path for your savings. Now that you understand the why of rollovers, let's dive into the how. It's crucial to know the steps involved to make an informed decision. There are two main ways to roll over your 401k, direct and indirect. Each method has its own set of rules and implications. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. A direct rollover is like a seamless transfer of funds from one account to another. The money goes directly from your old 401k custodian to your new retirement plan provider, bypassing your hands entirely. This method ensures that your funds are transferred without any tax withholdings or penalties. The money goes directly from your old 401k custodian to your new retirement plan provider, bypassing your hands entirely. This is the easiest, safest, and most recommended method. On the other hand, an indirect rollover involves receiving a check for your 401k balance and then depositing it into a new retirement account yourself. While it seems straightforward, this method comes with potential tax implications. With an indirect rollover, your old employer is required to withhold 20% of the distribution for taxes. This means you will receive only 80% of your balance initially. While it seems straightforward, this method comes with potential tax implications. You then have 60 days to deposit the full amount into your new retirement account to avoid penalties. This can be tricky and might lead to unexpected tax bills if not handled correctly. You then have 60 days to deposit the full amount into your new retirement account to avoid penalties. Missing this deadline can result in significant tax consequences and potential penalties. This can be tricky and might lead to unexpected tax bills if not handled correctly. It's essential to be aware of these details to avoid any financial pitfalls. Remember, when it comes to rollovers, direct is best. By choosing a direct rollover, you ensure a smooth transition of your retirement funds without the hassle of tax withholdings or penalties. Always consult with a financial advisor to make the best choice for your specific situation. IRA or new 401k, finding the perfect home for your rollover. You've decided to roll over your 401k, which is fantastic. Now comes the next big decision. Where should you roll it over to? The two most common options are an individual retirement account, IRA, or your new employer's 401k plan. Both have their pros and cons, so it's essential to weigh your options carefully. IRAs offer incredible flexibility. You have a wider range of investment choices, and you're not limited to the options provided by your employer's plan. On the other hand, rolling over to your new employer's 401k might offer advantages such as lower fees and potential employer matching contributions. Plus, it keeps all your retirement savings consolidated in one place, making it easier to manage. The best choice for you depends on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and retirement goals. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from a qualified financial advisor to help you make the best decision for your financial future. Remember, this is about what's right for you and your retirement dreams.